And it's too late, baby, now it's too late. Though we really did try to make it.
Here's how to play one of Carole King's many hit songs, It's Too Late, in only 3 parts. The first thing you're going to play, an A minor 7 chord, thumb, 2nd finger, 4th finger, then to a D7 chord, thumb, 2nd finger, pinky. Do that again, thumb, 2nd finger, and D7. Then we go back to this A minor 7 chord, and here we go to this G minor 7, thumb, middle finger, pinky, to a F major 7, thumb, 2nd finger, 4th finger. And that's the first part. The second part, B flat major 7, thumb, middle, pinky, back to that F major 7 chord. Do that twice. B flat major 7, F major 7, one more time. B flat major 7, F major 7, to a D minor 7 here, thumb, 2nd, pinky. Now if you're going back to the verse, you want to play this E sus4 here, or if you're going to the bridge or the instrumental part, you're going to play a F over G to a G. So there's 2 ways this part could end. Rhythm wise, I like to play it like that. In the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the left hand, bum, 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 bum. May take a bit of time to get used to that rhythm. If you're just starting out though, just play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're not quite sure what to do with the rhythm, have a listen to the demonstration at the end of this video. The last part you need to learn is the instrumental, playing the C major chord, thumb, 2nd finger, 4th, to an F major 7, so you're just moving the thumb in the right hand, to a B flat major 7 chord like we've learnt before, down to a A minor 7, to a G minor 7 chord here, then an F major 7 chord, to a D minor 7, to an E sus4 chord, and you only play the E sus4 if you're going into another verse. Otherwise, if you're going to the outro of the song, you play F over G like we do at the end of the chorus. Now, as a reward for those of you who are still watching at this part of the video, I'm going to add in a bonus part, and this is what makes this song magic. So, you'll know we've learnt this part here, A minor 7 to D7, and then it normally goes, and I haven't taught you that yet, so this is what we're going to play. E, note, G, A, G, E. So E, G, A, G, E. Notice in my right hand, thumb, 2nd finger, 3rd finger for those. And then in the left hand, I use my 2nd finger if you can. Then that finger and then thumb. So together, dun, 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 dun. So, D7 and da 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 da. I've purposely hidden this part of the tutorial in this section, and that's just to reward those of you who continue to watch my videos, support my channel as I continue to help you. So thank you for that, and happy playing. So if you can play those chords, you can play the whole song and sing along. Let me show you how the parts fit together so that you can do it.
Stayed in bed all morning just to pass the time. There's something wrong here, there can be no denying. One of us is changing, or maybe we've just stopped trying. And it's too late, baby, now it's too late. Though we really did try to make it. Something inside has died, and I can't hide, and I just can't fake it. Oh no. it's too late, baby. It's too late, now, darling. It's too late.